seek shelter. Too much close lightning. Ugh. Getting out of here will be another fun mystery. This is like a maze over here. Wow, look at these winds. Really coming in strong here. This area is probably no stranger to strong winds. Of course, you gotta watch for falling trees when you get storms of this magnitude. Lightning and freaking falling trees. I'm going the wrong way, but it's the middle of the night and nobody's here. With the exception of a little bit of rain. This is probably not the best place to be if you don't know where you're going. Then again, when have I ever known where I was going? Alright. This is why I don't work for Uber or Lyft. You get lost very easily. How do we go to northbound 275? Putting out some good wind gusts by Maximo Park. Some really strong gusts. Those wind gusts are upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour down by Maximo Park, which is right by where the Skyway, just north of where the Skyway bridge begins. And we are headed north into downtown St. Pete. That's where the storm is. That's where all the energy is. See these palm trees really swaying here. There's these gusty winds going through. It's hard to see palm trees at night, but heck, it's hard to see any tree at night. But if you look close enough, you can make out some of the stuff that's going on over here. Highway going from the Skyway to North Shore Park is a very short and quick drive. You can hear the wind, it's just howling. I mean, the wind, obviously I'm driving, but you can hear the wind out of the southeast hitting the side of the car. takes as much time to get from my house on 47th Avenue to North Shore Park as it does to get from North Shore Park to the Skyway, which is interesting. All these wonderful signs. We'll take the exit that goes to the pier. The pier's demolished. They're building a new one. Oh, there's Vertical Ventures, the rock climb. Nice. Anyway, the pier's been demolished. They're building a new one. It'll be done sometime summer to fall of 2019. But this is how we get to North Shore Park. The area around Vinoy Park, the pier, North Shore, that's a great area to catch storms coming in. And it's very quick too. Just hop on the highway. It's just you go from here to. You know, if I were really bold, I could have filmed near the Skyway during Hurricane Irma. The videos I have of Hurricane Irma, but the threat of storm surge was enough to deter me from a place where there's only one road out, and if there's an obstruction there, you know, you're pretty much dead during a major hurricane. Took the wrong exit. We're going to 4th Street, not 9th Street. This is what, 5th Street North and 4th Avenue. St. Petersburg Lawn Bowling Club. Okay, this is a good spot also to film. It's got the tall palm trees and whatnot. All right, we'll return in a bit.